Hello, in front of me I've got Shadowverse. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage battle tutorial. To find battle tutorial, from the main menu of the game let's go to solo. Enter battle tutorial, and here you can learn about the battle basics and more tutorials further in the game. For each battle tutorial, you will gain rewards in gold. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.